Hey, John, we've all noticed that opposites attract. How do you notice that in your practice?
Well, believe it or not, more often than not, savers and spenders seem to get together,
Yeah.
and all sorts of fun ensues from that moment on. It's interesting because I think we are all attracted to somebody who has some skills that we don't. We're all interested in something, that somebody brings to the table that we go, man, I really want that. The problem is that skill also creates some tension, because when you're a saver and you've found yourself attracted to this person who's more outgoing and more free and can enjoy the moment, and not feel burdened by what happens if we spend these dollars. Yeah, that's exciting and it's exhilarating, but it's also, after a little while, a little terrifying, because the thing that kind of makes you tick is the fact that you approach life financially defensively, and now you're attached to somebody who is more aggressive and in the moment. And so it creates this tension of both really appreciating what this person can do for my relationship and for my life, but it also creates fear and a little bit of a disconnect when we see that person's skill that we admire acting out.
So what do you do with them?
I think the big thing is just setting some ideas of what it is, again, that we really want to accomplish. So, I think for, people who are, whether they're setting up vacations or whether they're setting up a wedding or, anything along those lines, I think there needs to be room for both parties to do the thing that they do. What makes the couple really strong is that they can both pull from their strengths and find this middle ground where each person is kind of, honestly, kept in check, but still able to really flourish in the skills that they have.
Though, too, right?
Absolutely.
Kept in check and valued.
Yep.